Me tell you say, if Flexx involved, me not want to do the show, you know. And you see it now, them attack like Flexx ever pay me for a show in her life. Flexx never pay me $1 for do nothing yet. Flexx have it for pay me.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Alright, so we see the whole saga unravel upon the internet pertaining to Flexx, Foota hype, the little boy where Flexx the think of his son turned out to be Foota hype own. We hear from Mumzel and now we hearing from Tanya, which is Flexx's baby mother. Now people, Tanya did a reason over there on Lava's Chat and Laugh. Lava, big up yourself, my general. Yeah, Tanya did a reason on Chat and Laugh. And people, Tanya spill everything. She not hold back nothing. She talk about the fact that Flexx never did take care of the youth for years. She talk about Flexx getting arrested in the States for thief in jeans. She talk about Flexx even did a plot for kill Movado. She says so, not me. Don't know how true it is, but people, we have the video phone right now and we are going to take a listen to the things that where Tanya talk up. You understand? But one thing she make sure she said, hear me and say, me I go say what me I go say, me I go talk my piece and me done. Right? Yes. So, me now go do the bag of running on and the bag of lay. But not only that, she also big up Foota hype and say Foota hype is a good father. Foota hype know how to do what it takes to take care of them son. Make we go hear what Tanya talk say.
Yeah, man. I'm not come cuss nobody and carry on, you know. Because when I come on, this is not you come on and talk and then me come back. So when I talk now, I'm done.
Right.
Everybody come and tell them story. I'm watch them for days, turn weeks, and them drag me name up and down through the mud. They drag my picking them. You carry my picking and that hurt me. I see Flexx as a man. You see, if you have 10 pitney and you not take care of the 10, you're not a father. So if you feel like you have 10 pitney, you take care of one and you feel say you deserve a trophy, you're wrong. And for everybody that come talk about Flexx, I believe you give back Flexx him 30 years of money. I live a foreign for 11 years. I come here, my son a 2-year-old. So what the 13 years worth of money there? Them father was, you know what them father? June them time the lava? You tell her besides me?
Yeah.
Them father was Bush, Obama, Trump, and Biden.
Jesus, please.
That me a talk about.
So when mums ever come talk about, oh, you not a green card, I don't want a green card. I don't need a green card because I one place I live from, I come to America, and every 2 years I renew my lease. Every 2 years, I now walk up and down and beg nobody and say, you can't come take out the apartment and run nobody credit. No. And my name is Ina. And I yes, a Flexx that it's a love, so I end up pregnant with my second son. People are going to say, oh, you know, it was a deadbeat. No, it wasn't a deadbeat when time him come America. So when him come back America lava after 11 years, him said, me and him never used to deal, you know. Him text me and said, Tanya, me I beg you, please, give me back a chance for fix things. Right?
Right.
Say more for being at the child in life. Lava, me now come over here to come talk no fiction and facts me attack. And when I talk tonight, as I say, I'm done. And you add me and me, I'd come back and talk and so. If so him come back lava and say more to make it right, because I miss out so many years. I say, okay, them time them my daughter around 9. And my daughter say, Mommy, you sure you want to do that? You sure you want him to come around? And I say, and so I know the little secret lava.
Yeah.
And I want to take time dry me lava and tell me the little secret lava.
Yeah.
And I remember some, as I say lava and family knowing on them not telling me now. Because them know say I have a look a dead carrier we match a resurrect.
Okay.
You understand? So if you use the opportunity now to feel like say, yeah, can see after the night them go live lava, you start promote song, you know. You start promote song after the lightning, so I might pick them. You understand? When him come back in my apartment lava, my sister him not really depend nothing. The pit them bus stop they like 3 blocks away, not even that him no want to do. Carry them. Say you can't a man me I go me say carry them at the bus stop no. So me tell him say, here where you have to leave. You can't stay here so. You can't stay here so you got to go. So when I tell him say him got to go no lava, I don't know where I'm going, I don't really care, I don't really respond. And for everybody will come jump in and say this and that. Me not the first one. And me make my mistake and me fix it. Me correct it. Me correct it. Nobody never come search for me. Me correct my mistake. He without sin cast the first stone. Flexx never mind a picnic for 13 years. Because he wasn't here. He was in Jamaica. So the local career where I try raise, the dead where I try raise. Mums like I say flex get money. But me show you how me gonna kill them now. She send get 300%. Don't lava. You say you want build a case because you want proof to the crowd and you want it look good for the side. It's like one time them send a 300 they come give me in a 2020. I just show you the cash up.
Right.
They can let your phone. You should have split that 300 and 50-50 and send it for a couple months straight if you want build a case. That's what you should have do. Him get the 300 for send March 2020. Him not send no more because he might try and make it look good for film side. The one time flex on the look $300, him give Mumsel because they might try to build them case, you know. They might try to build them case and it not work. Lava, see the let me show you. You see the $300 lava? You see the date? What the date say? What the date say? March 23rd, 2020, though. Don't it? No,
March 23rd at 2. Okay. March 23rd, 2020, 2:20 p.m.
Yeah. That's the only time. So flex I come go on but big pussy girl this and that. Flex remember say go down these got thief 2 jeans and them lock you up, you know. I have to community service, you know. Member, you know, flex. Member say you're a thief in America. Member say you're a big butterer / artist. You gotta tell people say me and my mother obey you. Woman could have order somebody when I have it. So me rather obey you if you give me some money, though. Me obey you if you give me some money. So I don't know what flex I come talk about. What Mumsel come talk because she take time squeezing her way through. I don't know which back door she come from. I don't know all of a sudden me and you have beef. If she have beef with me, she better go cook that and name it because I don't have no beef.
No. Oh.
She better go cook that and name it. She said me call her phone lava. Come with the receipt, come show the people them what me terrorize the phone for. Come with the like no what me terrorize the phone for. Me now look at threesome. I say if me that look threesome is not my thing. But I say if me that look at threesome, and I want a girl like me. Anybody know me, I want a girl with them body big as shit, but I can slap up her ass. She now no body for me slap up. So me don't know how this me follow you up. All of a sudden you become flex.
Man not lie, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Me know flex for years. You understand? I'm sorry the old tree wasn't for Foota. I don't know one day if you want adapt the next two. Because Foota good foot. Me and Foota not talk all right now, lava. We not talk every day on phone, but him know for differentiate and when for be a father. Him know that very good lava. Okay. Lava when him there prison, him call very often. Money reach often. And it's not about the money, lava. It's about it was in my child life. I said, from him coming in my pitney life, in severe anxiety when him have lava, it not so bad.
Okay.
My pitney go down there and spend 1 month and then can't wait for go back again. So I don't know where the 13 area come from and the bag of money from which part it there. If flex a try raise the dead, a career not go raise. The young artists that run things now, him need to go look for squash and ask if them look nobody for brush off them shoes. Squash on them boy, them run the place. Down to cartel, they are prisoner run the place. So flex, what kind of career you have?
No. Oh. No. Oh.
A
No.
Gaza run the world. You don't have no career.
No. Oh.
At me a talk about.
Gaza, me say.
So I don't know when come on live I come talk about what hurt my feelings and why I come on live. Because I don't own nobody nothing. I don't own internet people nothing. Some people on the internet alone them have you have to leave them with it. But you come from a child and that hurt my feelings. And that hurt my feelings. So I feel I need to come talk because you went for my 3 kids. Mumsel can't breathe. She don't know what it's like to be a mother. She don't know what it's like for a child come to her and I cry and I say, Mommy, what happened? That is a low blow. You went for the kids, Mumsel. Come on, Mumsel. Do better than that. Drag me up and down the road, round the corner, round one part. Do all in the extras. But all of a sudden, your flex bright arm sister and this and that. Where were you? So if you have the flex sister, why nobody help him out and go on and pick them then? It's supposedly 13 years. And that brother and sister, they don't love her? So I'm going to talk about, oh, you breathe for this man 3 times. No, get it together. He came back and said, he want to be a father, he want to pick up back when me south pan, and him come back and shit at me. Yeah, I'm pregnant, I'm gonna dash to me carry it. So I don't know what kind of career flex I try to raise. When I feel like so now travel from New York to Florida as an accomplishment. From New York to Florida as an accomplishment. A domestic flight. I don't have nobody join line and say they want a visa for God Jamaica. I'm not throwing a stone behind me. Lava. But everybody wants a piece of the American dream. Wrong, am I right?
True.
I don't know nobody a look visa for God Jamaica. So I don't know what the idea come to who have green card and this and that. Like, come on. Flex your teeth, you're a big butter, you're not artist. Yeah, come go like you. Go looking at my father back pocket if you see a career in there. Because you not have a career. And if you try to get a bus off for the lighting, somebody picnic now go work. This big dirty thief, you're a thief. Foota not my brother. Foota is not my brother. Last time I checked, Foota not my brother. Me and I'm a family. So I don't know what I'm talking about this. I response. He is not my brother and I'm a flex brother. So I don't really respond. I don't really respond. So I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, 13 years worth of money. Like, please, come on. Flex your career where you look for. You come on like, oh, this big pussy girl. You never know some pussy big when they tongue up in it. You never did know that. You're there further come go on like you get a hype now. You got further for 2 years, and the 2 years you're there, you terrorists people forget apartment in them name. You thief, you got man and got thief in a these, you got thief 2 jeans, and who the dead for you, and who help bail you out when you forgot for your community service. You come go on like say you have this big, you have this all of a sudden like what is this? I never tell him because he live in Jamaica. I left Jamaica when my son was 2 years old. 2 years old. 2 years old, I left Jamaica. So me and Flex never in a house and mine pitney. Flex never mind a pitney. So I don't know where all of this come from. I don't know what kind of career them actually. Them want the internet, you know. Them want it. I don't need it. Because I sell eyelash. I don't want the traffic to my page. He might come say I mash up in marriage. Him supposedly do a business marriage with a woman. And the lady who do the marriage with Lava, the lady son of autism. And them class woman pitney and say, when I tell Tanya somebody I take care of dumb pitney. And them level of them stoop to. So that's why you not get your green card. Tell the people them that. You disrespect the woman pitney plus you never have the money for pay. Talk about that.
Alright.
I my face because I now look na accolade and a marmalade. I sell eyelash and I sell bungles. So I don't want to traffic to my page. But Flex, him need the traffic. Him need the traffic. And I wouldn't get the traffic to him page. Him career now raise. Him need to ask squash them if them want a shoemaker. To come fix them shoes and dust off them shoes.
No. Oh.
And that you need to talk about. Remember say I do this song and this my father now we are follow there now. My father now raise the career because under plan for kill him. You're a traitor.
Alright. No more. Alright. Let's go on big say.
Come up. Me I go come back and now I eat this. I speak my truth. Foota is a big father, is a great father. I'm a respect that. You understand?
Okay.
Not give him a big up. Me and him talk on phone every day, but you might do him supposed to do as a father.
Alright.
Nothing wrong with Lash and Bundle, but me just say I don't want to traffic to my page. Flex them need the traffic. Because Flex I look a bus. And him career there the bus stop. Him career now race back. I eat that for him career. He needs to go look at washer lights and go do some security. Have a good night and thanks for your platform.
Good night again. Big up. Alright.
So you see what I talk about? Tanya not hold back nothing. And we can hear so she upset though. Yeah. But people, watch her man. She talk up a whole lot of things. And after she come off of the live, Then comes Mumzel. Mumzel come on and Mumzel talk up a whole lot of other things. Me now go show it right here. So if you don't want to hear what Mumzel say, the link I go down in the description. You can click that and go over to Lava channel and watch the whole thing. But trust me, there is more to this whole saga. So people click the link down below and go over to Lava channel and you know leave a comment and say yo Unstoppable send me over here and big up Lava. Zane, watch ya. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Zane, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.